I'm Barbara Lence, and I'm the director of the Integrated Water Management Program. Virtually all members of society depend on water. The challenge is that water is not geographically distributed in an ideal way. It varies from region to region. It changes with the seasons, and its availability and abundance changes with the seasons. I have a background in civil engineering with an emphasis on environmental engineering, systems analysis, and economics. And I know from my personal experience that solving water quality and water quantity problems requires an integration of at least those disciplines. All of our students bring something to the program. They bring it from the industries they work in, from the particular company they work in, and from their other life experiences. What I bring to the program is my ability and interest in looking at the big picture and understanding the details. We are responsible not only for designing systems that are robust to nature and technological advancement, but also to the needs of the community as they change.